Ever wished you could sculpt your face like a piece of art, or catch a glance in the mirror and think, man, I look good? Well, today might just be your lucky day because I'm about to drop some knowledge on mewing. A little-known secret that could upgrade your facial aesthetics from ordinary to extraordinary. Now, what's this mysterious mewing all about? Imagine unlocking the most optimal level of your facial charm. Hold on to your skepticism for a moment. While there's no rock-solid guarantee that mewing will work its magic on everybody, a vast majority of men have seen noteworthy improvements. So, why not take the plunge? The best part is, it's as simple as consistently pressing your tongue against your palate. But there's a technique to this. Stick around, and I'll explain this step by step so you can master the art of mewing to achieve that chiseled jawline. Step 1. Tongue power. It's all about the back of your tongue, not just the tip pressing against the palate. This constant pressure aligns your facial bones for that chiseled appearance. Get this wrong, and you might end up with an asymmetrical face. Step 2. Tongue position. Your tongue should be behind your teeth without making contact, avoiding muscle strain or jaw misalignment. Step 3. Clenching. Your teeth should not meet with intense pressure. Keep it gentle, and your jaw will thank you. Step 4. Breathing. Lock those lips and get your oxygen through your nose. Panting through your mouth might sag your jaw. Step 5. The fat face. Mewing won't shine through layers of face fat, so incorporate a workout routine to shed that excess. And last but not least, patience is your best friend. Mewing is a process that takes time, depending on genetics, age, and other factors. Think of it like watching a tree grow. Slowly but surely, your transformation will take place. Master these 5 steps, and you're on your way to mastering the art of mewing for those sharp jawlines. Drop us a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, and thank you for tuning in.